Once you open your copy of the software, you'll be taken to this page. The first thing you'll need to do is take care of a couple of setup items. You'll need to enter in the number of vacation days you're allowed to take at work, as well as the number of personal days and sick days. Next, you'll need to enter in your work holiday schedule. And then you're done with the setup process. The next thing you'll notice is this analysis section that shows you a breakdown of the types of days you might have at work, such as working from home, taking a full vacation day, or taking a full sick day. You'll also notice for each of these they have an associated letter code and color code. Throughout the year, you just need to enter in the appropriate letter code on each day. For example, if you took a sick day on March 9th, you just go to the March 9th date and type in the appropriate letter code. And then everything would be automatically updated. Switching over to a template with a little bit more data filled out, you'll see that you'll have a visual representation of the year that you're having, as well as the analysis page will break out the total number of days you've had in each category, as well as those broken down into percentages based on the number of days that have surpassed so far. You'll also have a few more statistics down here you can check out. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.